Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create Alastor's voice effect in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you have your audio loaded, click and drag to select the specific part you want to change, or you can simply double-click the audio to select everything at once. This gives you full control over which portions of your recording will receive the Alastor voice treatment. Now click on Effect at the top of the screen. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over Distortion and Modulation, then select Distortion from the list. This is the first layer that will help transform your voice into something more sinister and radio-like, similar to Alastor's iconic sound. In the Distortion window, look for Distortion type. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Medium Overdrive. This particular setting adds that crunchy, overdriven quality that's essential for the effect. Below it, you'll see Output Level. Enter 50.00 in this field to control the intensity of the distortion, then click Apply to process the audio. Next, click Effect at the top again. Hover your mouse over EQ and Filters, then select Filter Curve EQ. A new window will appear with various equalization options. In the top left corner, click on Presets and Settings. Hover your mouse over Factory Presets and select Telephone from the list. This preset gives your voice that old-timey radio quality that defines Alastor's character. Click Apply in the bottom right to confirm these changes. Now click Effect in the top toolbar once more. Hover your mouse over EQ and Filters again, then select High Pass Filter. This filter will remove lower frequencies and enhance the tinny radio broadcast sound. Look for frequency hertz and set it to 2000.0, then click OK to apply this filter. It's time to add another layer of distortion. Click Effect at the top, hover over Distortion and Modulation, then select Distortion again. For distortion type, click the drop-down menu and this time select Soft Overdrive. This adds a subtler layer of grit without overpowering the previous effects. Click Apply to process this change. Finally, we'll add some atmospheric depth. Click Effect in the top toolbar, hover your mouse over Delay and Reverb, then click Reverb. This is where the voice really starts to take on that haunting, otherworldly quality. Set the room size to 75. Below it, enter 10 for pre-delay. For reverberance, enter 30. For damping, enter 60. For tone low, enter 100. For tone high, enter 80. For wet gain, enter 0. For dry gain, enter -6. And for stereo width, enter 90. Once you've entered all these values, click Apply in the bottom right. Now click the play button in the upper left to test your newly created Alastor voice. Give it a listen and feel free to adjust any of the settings if you're not yet satisfied with the result. Each voice is different, so some tweaking might be necessary to achieve the perfect sinister radio demon sound. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.